and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Could a faulty hormone in the skin be the key to psoriasis? New research strongly suggests the hormone hepcidin may trigger the onset of the condition. This marks the first time hepcidin has been considered a potential cause factor. In mammals, hepcidin is responsible for regulating iron levels in the body. The findings were published in Nature Communication. The international research team behind this discovery, which includes Dr. Charare Purzan from the Department of Life Sciences, the Center for Therapeutic Innovation and the Center for Bioengineering and Biomedical Technologies at the University of Bath in the UK, hopes their findings will lead to the development of new drugs able to block the action of the hormone. Those most likely to benefit from such a treatment are patients with pustular psoriasis, a particularly severe and treatment-resistant form of the disease that can affect a patient's nail and joints as well as the skin. Clinical trial shows benefits of intermittent fasting in patients with metabolic syndrome and prediabetes. Risk factors attributing to the metabolic syndrome include elevated blood sugar, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. In a recent collaborative clinical trial entitled TIMET, researchers from University of California, San Diego School of Medicine and the Salk Institute found that a form of intermittent fasting called time-restricted eating could improve the health of participants diagnosed with metabolic syndrome and have prediabetes. The study, published online in the Annals of Internal Medicine, demonstrated significant improvements in key markers of cardiometabolic health, including blood sugar and cholesterol, and lower levels of HbA1c, a marker of long-term blood sugar management. Metabolic syndrome, especially when paired with prediabetes, represents a critical tipping point in which the risk for developing type 2 diabetes and heart disease is greatly increased, said Pam Taub, MD, co-corresponding author of the study and professor of medicine at UC San Diego School of Medicine. We are hopeful the findings of this study can help others who are looking to address their metabolic syndrome and reduce their risk of type 2 diabetes. High accuracy ultrasound may identify 96% of postmenopausal women with ovarian cancer, Lancet Oncology study. An ultrasound test that detected 96% of ovarian cancers in postmenopausal women should replace current standard of care test in the UK, according to a new study. In a paper published in Lancet Oncology, research funded by the National Institute for Health and Care Research and led by Professor Sudha Rasundar from the University of Birmingham, compared all currently available tests to diagnose ovarian cancer in postmenopausal women head-to-head in a high-quality diagnostic test accuracy study. Of the 6 diagnostic tests investigated, the IOTA Adnex model, which looks at ultrasound features, had the best accuracy of all and could detect up to 96% of women with ovarian cancer. 1 in 3 children short-sighted after COVID lockdown. British Journal of Ophthalmology. Children's eyesight is worsening globally, with 1 in 3 now suffering from short-sightedness or myopia, according to a new study published in British Journal of Ophthalmology. The researchers reviewed data from over 5 million children and teens across 50 countries on 6 continents. The highest rates are in Asia. 85% of children in Japan and 73% in South Korea are short-sighted, with more than 40% affected in China and Russia. The report found that global myopia rates tripled from 1990 to 2023, now affecting 36% of children, with a significant spike after the pandemic. Myopia typically begins in primary school and worsens until the eye stops growing around the age of 20. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.